Here we've got Huawei GX8, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts, select the one that you would like to add this profile picture to, so let me pick Tim, and tap on edit. Now you have to click on the profile picture right here and pick either take photo, choose for preset, or select new photo from gallery, and this is what I will do. Pick the gallery. And then I would like to add this profile picture to my contact. Now we can also complete the action using crop picture or photos, whichever you prefer. I would rather this one. And now just customize it. And here it is. Then tap on confirmation mark. And one more time, confirm to save it. So this is it. From now on, Tim has a new profile picture, and whenever he will be calling you, he will be able to see this profile picture. And also in the contacts it appeared. So that would be all. This is how you can add profile picture to a contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.